Alright, what are we working on today, James?
I'll run brakes and rotors.
Woo! Yeah.
Piece of shit that made it on the fucking illness.
Yeah, we got stuck.
Oh, look at it. Look at my shit's Dude, that must have just put up in the span of like, because that thing was in my fucking garage last night.
This gets jacked up. Yeah, I had to move your tools. I was doing some welding.
Yeah. That's bad. I'm making fun.
Yeah, I gotta check my measurements in my car. Let me park in the garage.
I was fine getting up there, back at a snowbank. Oops. So did you just come in and open the garage and park it?
Bro, well, the cameras. Hey, see where the cameras at?
Yeah. What about it?
Move!
You know how to? You really want it, do it.
Someone's gotta take them off.
Getting back to work. Why don't you just like put him up to the back quarter and just be like, Mom, I just came home and you were wrong. My car sounds so weird. That's cool.
No, this is the thing I do is cheaper and better.
Dude, it's not just mine. Just cut it up.
Cut it up!
You know how it's gonna sound? Do it.
It's literally gonna sound the exact same as cutting it off with being able to make it quiet.
I don't know about that.
This is a snowy mess. Want to unlock your steering wheel?
Yeah. You turn it, you say?
No, just unlock it. That's good. That's looking like a 13.
Oh god. No one's gonna
And for
like
the both
that.
sides of this is 13. Shut up, bitch!
Whoa.
You know that?
Cool with the language, bro.
I got my license, my turn on you. Alright.
What?
That's crazy.
Okay.
Alright.
Just hang tight for a little bit.
Give me that
Wanna
shit.
move?
I've got that fine.
This guy did it on the TikTok, motherfucker.
Oh, she tight. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, you know what? If I went the right way, that would help too.
I'll say that
Rookie
right
mistake. Got more views than your mama.
now. Oh yeah.
Thanks.
You have a TikTok.
Your daddy
I
does.
see what you're
Your
getting.
daddy does.
No, he doesn't. He watches it. He doesn't make it. Dude, what if I see him on my For You page one day?
You gotta do that fat old girl.
What if I see him on my For You page?
He starts shaking his ass. Ah, don't turn sideways like that. Get it cranked.
Yep.
Cracked. Her name Justin.
I'm cracked.
Spit you off there. Hang this thing. Remember, what do you never want to do, Declan?
You wanna hook? Put that up. Put that up.
Let it hang by the brake hose.
Put it up. I saw it on a YouTube video. Look at that motherfucker by the spring. Seems heavy.
How built that? You're gonna really do some standing with the air tools and the wheel hub assembly? Yep.
Alright boys, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the caliper off, you're gonna hang it by the spring, don't wanna let that bitch be hanging.
Good job. There we go. She's hung.
Take them both.
Stuff. Trim.
I go.
Okay, what bolts are these, James?
You said 13, right? Oh, but it's a 15 on it, so I guess now it's a 15 millimeter.
No, what?
Ooh.
What do these hold?
I figured it out, guys.
I don't know off the top of my head. I have to look it up. Caliper. Oh, look it up. Caliper bracket bolts.
Yes, sir.
Oh, balls. That's.
Can't fit that. Did you say caliber bracket holds?
I looked up a video on what he wants me to do.
What is it called? Caliber bracket bolts?
Yep. What are you looking up?
Fucking
What are you looking up?
Caliber bracket bolts, Chevy Impala.
What are you looking it up for?
You told me you said look it up. You said.
No, I said what bolts are these?
Oh.
I was testing your knowledge and you failed.
What would you say?
What bolts are these? Google, what bolts are these?
I don't know, fucking bolts. Oh, camera.
The camera almost took a fall.
I'm in the camera. Oh. I want to watch that. You on this side, so I do it on the other side.
Yeah, these definitely
definitely ready for a change.
Yeah, she's fucked. Oh, the birdies.
Probably.
Most likely. When is the last time you changed your battery in your car?
Never.
Oh.
I don't know when I got my car like less than a year ago, so.
So 2012? Right?
The fuck you mean
Your
2012?
car. I don't know your fucking miles.
2008.
It's an 08 and batteries.
that's really
usually
old.
last
Who
5
who
years,
took
so
my
I'm
bolts?
Assuming they replaced it once.
Where'd the bolts go?
I didn't take
I put them on the floor.
I don't know. That's when you take the bolt.
No.
No.
Someone put them up there. Maybe it was me. I don't remember.
You went over there after you put the thing down.
All right, that's come on a fall, so grab it.
I got YouTube. Oh.
A little more. There we go.
Now this motherfucker come out.
Nice.
Whoa, no, just got the
Get up here on
goldies.
the bench.
Whoa.
What? Get up here on the bench.
Ah, shit.
Did they give you the right brackets this time?
Right? You went to bumper and bumper.
What do you want?
It's so funny. Every time we call Brian out for vaping, he's always like, "Oh, I can just go in there and get it myself." What makes people when they get asked to get it? That's so funny.
I can do it. Well, I'm in D block. Yo, can you go buy me jewel
That's
pods?
napped.
That's not good.
Is what it is, I guess.
It is what it is.
And on this. Boosting. Get the shot. It's coming out. Something's turning. I feel it. The frickin'?
You gonna try my shake yet?
I don't like them.
What? You didn't try it. Did you try this? That spicy nugget is good though. Have you tried them?
No, I don't do spice.
It's not
Of
even,
course you don't.
it's not even spicy.
Shut up, don't care.
It's not even spicy.
I eat dino nuggets that are air fried only.
Yeah, all that processed food. How are you doing on your calories?
Yeah.
Supposed to be consuming at least 2,000 a day.
Turning?
Chicken.
Is that thing turning? What is turning on this thing?
I don't even know. I don't even know.
Something was turning, I
What
thought.
car does that bitch have?
Huh.
It's a new day. Oh shit! Go look at it, Dad.
I don't want to stand up. Your break or something?
That doesn't seem to work.
Have fun working on the Hyundai.
You have a welder here, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah. And I might have to use it.
Why were you voted?
No, the pipe. If
Oh.
you need to, we might need to. I don't know.
It's turning,
It comes with brackets.
but it's not coming out.
Is it just stripped in there?
Might be. You might be right. I
Might
don't-
be frozen.
It might be coming out. I can't tell.
Shit frozen.
I'm gonna try to tighten it back in there and work it loose. I don't want to be welding nuts to this thing. I don't want to deal with that.
I'm gonna be happy.
Crazy what 5 years of rust or salt will do.
Nah, there's only like 4 really.
There we go. Success. Can't be beaten by a 1-inch screw. There we go. Well, MC's the
Oh
snot.
yeah, watch this. What?
Give me that bitch.
Alright, for some air tools.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part.
off over there.
Alright. I say first we'll clean this hub off.
What do you say? I think it needs a cleaning.
Looks like it does.
Frozen.
Is that like a clean? We're cleaning the hub off.
I need to measure the diameter of the drop plate between the top and the stock muffler for the back. Because my mom won't let me do it block, but that's how you realize.
Such a bitch. Cut it off.
There's
Yeah, take a lesson from Jamie.
I don't want to go up for what my mommy saying to the stairs just wait for my college tuition.
yeah. So there's an electronic magnet that has a flash.
Oh, definitely really wore these out when you use that in your car. Not doing anything. Oh, the slush! The slush!
It's a wonky.
Camera's not going in here at any time.
It's a wonky swash.
That shit bushing. How the cat doing? Good, he's fat. Yeah. That motherfucker was skinny in the summer. He huge now? Yeah. You like Garfield? Yeah. Motherfucker looking like a Garfield.
This is my favorite part.
Car guard, you're gonna hope you're back to school.
Oh, and it's bought.
It's not like I suck, because my RPMs were fucked, so I had to change the way I was doing shit. So instead of holding it down, I just went. Well, I turned on the track, I turned on this other station when you first flooring it, because all those ran half, I just floored it, and like, going like this, up and down the gas road, then somehow got past 4,000 RPM and it stayed at 7.
Ugh.
The entire time like going off
fat
there,
piece
so I
of
was like, all right,
slush.
forget it. Well, I went up and then I walked in the garage, so I turned everything off, and then I was looking back down.
Really?
And then back off. Like, oh, the snow was like in between like the tire and like the cars, so that didn't help either. We're working on the car. That thing ain't gonna work out for a while.
Alright guys, we're fixing up a Hyundai. The thing had no coolant in it, no heat not working because they had no coolant in the motherfucker. They had no coolant, right?
You literally just said
They had no coolant.
motherfucker.
That's fine.
Done.
Fine.
Don't swear. Cool, motherfucker.
Oh, look how luscious she is. There, now she's all nice and clean. I'll break clean that off. Done with that.
Okay, rocker.
Alright, now we need to work on the pads.
What?
Okay, rocker.
Watch out, rocker!
Fluid.
Watch out there, rocker! Alright, next step. Pop these pads out. They aren't seized in there, that's good.
I don't know how to put this in, so you can just
Dude,
Wow.
you goofy.
Allow me to show you.
My fingers are cold.
Alright, finger both of them out 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Because they're English. I mean, I'm European, so I'm not ever doing this. Pop the old hardware off.
Bryce, your dad said you had like an actual tool that measures diameter or something? For the
Caliper?
bike? Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah.
I don't know what
Fuck
that
are all
is.
these folks? I don't even
I
know.
told you that's the brackets that they fuck up all the time at O'Reilly's.
I never
Track
tried
my brake
bumper
pads.
brakes. So if they're better than O'Reilly's, I'm gonna go there for everything then.
Yeah, every brake
For all the
job.
brake parts.
I got 4.
Yeah, you need fold.
I know, I got 4.
There's 2 in one sound.
Alright. No, I like to file the rust out of these. I don't like to use a wire brush. I just like to use a file.
No. Where's my other brake pad?
File really cleans them up real good.
I don't want to risk it. So now I'm so used to these ones. It's just like I'm gonna break it instantly.
I really don't see a change. When I changed mine, I don't really see a change.
Look, you definitely needed your brake fluid.
Is there a drastic change in that? Brake fluid?
Yeah.
Alright, where's that brake cleaner?
It's so much fun.
So are you cleaning the brake pads?
Yeah, I'm cleaning.
I'll show you.
Making a bitch clean.
I haven't asked my mom yet,
My
but
e-brake's frozen. It's like it's stuck on the rear brake. So
Oh.
I can't get any power. Like I hit the gas, my car doesn't move. I'm like, fuck.
Uh-oh.
Pipe. So I can change it from quiet to
attachment.
loud.
So it's not basically straight pipe. It's
Why is it a straight pipe?
Watch it not do anything. Watch it not do anything.
It does.
Better.
You're opening the headers. You're just
Straight cat.
Yeah, if you don't hear a difference, you did something wrong with it.
You can tell by the sound like the cat this is open headed. Holy fuck.
So I gotta measure the diameter. So I'm gonna do that.
I guess it's Bryce for a ride in the Civic.
I don't know if I want to take a ride in the Civic.
You haven't heard it.
I did. Remember you started up that one day?
Oh no, you should hear it when I'm getting on. It's fucking loud. So I'm not gonna hear it.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
another statement.
You heard it when I was at school.
At the gym, remember?
You heard that? Dude, everyone was looking at
I
it.
get these babies.
Oh yeah, I forgot we were at school too. There were so many people in the back of the parking lot. We were like looking around. They're like, "Who the hell is that?"
Fucking amazing.
Dude, measuring it's gonna be risky though because they go under the car.
Yeah, fine.
Let's use some jack stands.
You get the massive ass.
Do you
jack
trust their
stands.
Mazda
Yeah,
not
they'll work.
following you?
It's not the Mazda.
Yeah, I wouldn't
it's the
trust the Jack. Yeah.
Oh, that's my phone in the car.
It's like an AK-47.
It's in the purple goo on there.
That look like goblin goo. That looks like elixir from Clash of Clans.
Yeah.
Where is that? Or whatever it's called.
Huh?
But what there?
Just don't drop it or it'll break.
That kid, and your mama got paid for a new one.
What my mama?
I don't know.
Do you want oil?
Yeah. Oh, gas. Oh, gas. Yeah. Bryce, look at this.
Oh my god.
It's so fucking loud.
Go do some doonies. Put in reverse. Get your traction on.
Yeah, just. Oh, half traction control.
Go do a dumpling.
I got half traction control.
Yeah, I don't either.
Go do it.
You son.
Go do
After
it.
you're done.
I'm not recording sentences and upload it.
Maybe. I might go get some food after this.
I'm hungry, but I don't want to spend any money.
Love my shoes.
So I'm gonna go home and eat ramen.
You got the Tim's on when he's black?
Me and Bryce love ramen.
Yo, Bryce rocking the Nikes. Nikes. Yo,
What are those?
Stop with that drip.
I got
Stop
them
with that drip.
Nikes.
That fucking Nikes.
Sorry, sorry.
The Nikes are Honda. I'm kidding.
Hey, that's me.
That was Nikes are Under Armour. Under Armour.
I'm gonna try to see how the pads fit.
Those are Honda
It's not
shoes.
safe. A lot of fucking pro car.
Looks like you just took a glue stick and put it on there for the cover.
Yeah.
Wow, it actually works. Huh? How much glue wouldn't work for shit?
Somewhat.
Let's see how these fit
James,
compared
make sure
to.
to put a bunch of anti-Cs on the rotors.
Yeah, that'll help the corrosion.
Yeah, you gotta make sure to put anti-Cs in the rotors though.
Can't have any corrosion.
You don't
Corrosion
want
The batteries, yeah, but your battery's fucking erodes too.
You don't want your.
My battery's a rose.
Has the erosion on it. There's a shit ton of it.
You don't want to. You don't want to get. You don't want to. You don't want your.
Open it up right now. Let's go see.
Okay, bet.
Open it up right now. Open it up right now. Open it up right now.
All I know is I put anti-Cs every day. Spray it right there. Quick, anti-Cs done. You set for the day.
Baby. Oh,
I told
dude,
you.
look at that. No grinding required.
Yo!
Wow.
Mine, I had to grind like everything.
Oh my god, I remember those. The freaking O'Reilly brake pads.
Yeah.
Every time I got
No,
those
they
were
were
Rock
Rock
Auto.
Auto.
Every time I got Rock Auto brakes, oh, I had to freaking sit there with a grinder.
Yeah, that's what I had to do. I remember that too.
Freaking annoying.
What are these O'Reilly brakes?
No, these are bumper to bumper. Because I have had zero luck with O'Reilly brakes.
Wait, what do you have? Did he have to get? What is this? Is this?
That's a caliper for the van that I'm gonna put
Oh,
on
I
later.
was like, did he have to get a new one of those too?
No.
Oh, that wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Imagine if poop was yellow.
Yeah.
They're cold.
Get some of the goo on there.
Got the goopy ghosts.
Got the
Maybe get
goo.
tested for ADHD on the 22nd. My mom's like,
Sam.
you go get tested.
What do you have to get tested for?
ADHD.
Just said
I
ADHD.
told you.
Like, in general though, like, is there a reason, like,
Because I'm retarded and I don't fucking pay attention and I'm failing school.
you're gonna test positive?
You're gonna be super senior with Declan?
No, I'm not. No, he's gonna pass. He's got the 504 plan.
Yeah, yeah.
The teacher's gonna be like,
Dude,
okay.
I was taking a fucking math test the other
It
day.
is,
She
it
did
is.
the same thing that Miss Brooks did. I was taking it. She ripped it out of my hand. I left a huge, like, little pencil mark on my test. I'm like, what the fuck? Can I take my damn
She
test?
gives you like 2 questions. You do these 2 questions and you
Dude,
pass.
she crosses off like half the questions on the test. I'm like, holy fuck. And then she's like, oh yeah, but these ones? I'm like, yeah, here's a quick answer sheet. I was like, what the fuck?
My toes are so cold.
One side.
My toes are cold.
I'm not wearing thick socks.
No, what, man?
Like, mock.
Alright, James, me and you have a base off right now.
What are you doing?
I don't want to because I feel like the car's gonna someone fall down. If I can break it.
There's so much bass, your jack's just gonna vibrate off.
I want to get a sub for the
There's
stick,
something
but
in my
they
trunk
fall.
cabinet because it's like it's normal bass, but there's something rattling around in there. I don't know what the hell it is.
So mine's better.
You're the only,
Dude,
Where's the
only
spoiler?
person that I know of a good
Shit.
sound system.
I think it's just because I
I
fucked
think it's
with
just
my
too
amp
bass.
to make it
Too
sound
much
good.
bass.
Yeah, because like his and Declan's and Ethan sound like dog ass.
That's gotta be what I did.
Does it sound like
I did
dog ass,
something on the
you
amp,
moron?
right?
Huh?
That's the only
I
thing
hear
it
a
could be
sound.
the amp. I did
Well,
something
compared to
wrong.
Gavin, it sounds like dog ass.
No.
Yeah.
Bryce likes mine more than Gavin's.
I like Gavin more.
It's because mine's more bass.
Yeah, I don't like that much
Bryce
bass.
doesn't like bass. Because he's black.
We're just gonna see whose fucking spoiler falls off first, or who's fucking like
Yours already fell
falls
off.
Still on.
No, dude. Literally, I was behind you. Yours is literally just going like fucking this.
Dude, with the seats.
That's why I was trying to take a video of. It was just going.
When the seats are
It's gonna
down,
fall
when the
off.
seat is down, it's so fucked. Seats are down. Crazy.
If I were to get a sub for the Civic, I'd get some small ass one. Because I'll be driving down the road and my fucking wheel will fall off.
I don't think you'll be able to hear it. Car's too damn loud.
I'm gonna hear it.
Just turn it louder.
Yeah. I can hear my radio now, surprisingly.
Yeah, how long? Your sub's like turned all the way up, right?
I don't know.
Good.
It's not all the way up.
Actually,
Fucking blow it.
yeah, Adam turned his all the way up. Adam's doesn't even sound as good as yours.
Because
And it's right in the cab. It's
I
right
think
in the
that's
cab.
why.
Yeah, it's probably.
It doesn't bounce off.
But it's really
anything.
fucking loud.
2.25-inch diameter. Do I need that 2.25 exhaust type or?
Yeah.
I'd imagine. I don't know.
I'll put in a fucking.
Because if I have a 2-inch, that one's a 2.25. Think it fit or no?
Oh, okay.
Next thing you know, I'm stuck in the snow bank. My brakes don't work.
I don't know what it was. But my
Can you turn the wheel straight?
one night, my brakes didn't work. Like I had to push the pedal all the way down in order for them to work. Like it was like light, and then I went there. It was dumb, scared shit out of me.
Right?
More? That's good. How'd you accidentally hit your horn?
Yeah.
I was reaching down to get something.
So you're fat as fuck and your belly hit it.
Bigger than
Dude, have you
bitch.
seen that? In my 600-pound life where they get out of the car and honk their horn because their belly's so fucking fat?
How fat their tits are.
It's both.
The
It's like,
security bitch.
That bitch is huge.
Whole suspension waste off of your car.
it does. They sit down and just go. Who needs lowering springs when you got my 600-pound fat ass?
Yeah, I'm just gonna call, instead of putting coils over, I'm gonna pay a bitch just sit in the back seat for fucking.
Yeah.
Comparing food.
Yeah, I'm like, I'll buy you McDonald's every day if you sit in my car.
Her orders can be like
That's gonna be Declan and his wife. Chick-fil-A.
$300 a month.
$300 for her snack.
Now that you know they're really fat when they Grubhub it every day.
Consumables and make it that the coil over.
Dude, how do they how are they even have money? How do they even have money? Like, you know how much?
Well, what motivates them to work is
costs
food.
To buy all that food? Jesus Christ.
Well, they don't have money for anything else. That's what the money goes to.
Yeah,
Turn the wheels the other way again.
Around for gas.
That and kick switch. I'll do the kick switch at night and then the tire shop in the morning.
Oh, sick. We should
Because
paint
once
it.
you guys leave in the summer, we gotta pay for our apartment and shit.
Who all is doing that?
Yeah. Because you're going to.
Yo, you get a text message from Gabby. I'm gonna kill myself. I hate college.
Yeah, trying and then Tim's leaving.
But if you go with Adam to Michigan, then we can hang out.
Well, yeah, I am. So, yeah, we'll see you.
Because that's like
this
30
summer.
minutes away.
Yeah, we'll see you this summer. Because we're going, I think we're going around the 4th of July.
This is really hard to work with the camera right there.
I'll still be here.
Gotta get the shot. Gotta get the shot. It's the only way to get the shot.
Come on, Rocker. Gotta get the shot in, Rocker.
Come on, Rocker.
Rock
and roll, Mr. Rockers. But if there's more than one rocker, you call them rockers. You crazy rocker. You the rockiest.
Easy,
Rockiest rocker.
Zach, should we go for a ride in the Civic? You want to right now?
Go drift around.
Hey, go
can't
to
drift my e-brake
Dumplings.
still.
Put that bitch in reverse. It's fucking dozy.
I'm gonna make that bitch pop.
We can hear from here. Let's see if we can hear from dumpies all the way here. Like little dumps.
No, because then are there kids there right now?
No, it's a Saturday.
Oh, fuck. I thought it was like Friday. Shit.
Bruh. No, I'd be at.
We all have school.
Yeah, I know.
What's the torque spec on that? Tight enough.
What?
Chicken.
You wanna go to McDonald's?
I gotta go somewhere.
Well, let's go.
Chicken.
Let's go back over.
Is it actually
Get
95?
the McChickens. Need more
I gotta go to
calories.
Culver's.
Need more calories.
I'll drive.
You're gonna drive?
Yeah, I'll drive too.
Like when we go to Culver's, get a big fat burger and you.
I don't know if I should wait for James or.
Why don't wait? Just go. Like, I gotta go home after this anyway. This guy got work. Go. I want to see if I can hear the Civic. Or taking a Kia.
There you go.
Oh, that's torque to spec.
Seven.
There's the pop, one.
Gosh. Tricky part is the other piston wants to pop up when I push this one in.
Shit.
So it's kind of
Are they
tricky.
connected in some sort of thing?
Well, yeah, there's hydraulic fluid. Let's kind of push
So
that.
they have even pressure on both sides?
Yeah, there's a special tool for doing it, but
That's your special tool.
yeah, my special tool is the channel locks.
Vice grip channel drop.
I might need to get that extra. Looks like I'm good.
And people said the motor goes out like within a couple years. So if I get the warranty, I can just get a brand new one.
Put a little bit of grease.
But it's electric, so I don't know where we're gonna like put it to go through to the car.
Put it in there. Make sure we don't have any squeaks.
Because we probably don't want it to go next to the exhaust.
It's going nice with
Melt
a
it.
new like rotor on and stuff. It's crazy.
Yeah, just wait a week.
Oops.
Salt. Just breaking it in.
I'm not doing any mods to this. Fix it up. Serpentine belt maybe might be next. What are you doing?
Yeah.
So you taking your car into college or? Your mommy gonna miss her subs. I bet she's gonna miss when she gets waking up and you have to kick switch from her.
She'll be like, why'd you wake me up? 'Cause
Yeah,
you
I've
told
been
me
coming
to.
home from college. I thought I had to wake you up. Come on.
Dude, it's so annoying. I just haven't the past couple nights. I just go to bed. Like, I don't even fucking care.
Why just go to bed? Why would you care?
I want to get kissed.
So it's like, I'm fucking waking up, go to bed.
And then she complains the next morning, like, I couldn't go to bed after you woke me up. Like, bitch! I told me to wake you up.
That's your problem.
Yeah. Hey, yo, cool. That's your problem, not mine.
When should you get a new tie rod? What? Like the tie rod? What about it? When should you ever get a new one of those? So it goes bad. How do those really go bad? Or it's like a
Tie rod? Your tie rod's bad?
No, I'm just saying like when should you like replace those?
When they go bad?
Like what's like an average mileage? Like never really go bad at.
That's not really.
Let's replace my brothers.
How many miles does that thing have?
120.
Not bad, good.
For you, it's probably gonna be 100,000. Where you fucking drive.
Yeah, if not less.
Having fun with my money.
Very chill. That's why my mom's like, why are you spending money on your car? I'm like, because it's cool.
The God, I don't spend my money on vapes.
Yeah.
Nope. Alright. Side's done.
Go! Thank you, Brad.
Let's measure my. I'm kidding.
Now let's not do that.
I know you got it.
Let's just drive it.
Bruh. Probably pull to one side.
We can imagine only having like 2 tires in front and another in the back.
Alright. That's brakes on a 2016 Impala.
Just have
Pretty
seats in the
easy.
back.
I'm gonna go ahead and brake clean the rotors one more time. Make sure there's no grease or anything on them.
Snowmobile just.
Dude,
But,
honestly,
yeah.
if I had a
Looks good.
snowmobile, I'd just drive it to work in this weather.
Hey, Bryce, my house.